What's up, people? Welcome to another episode of Drinking with Kevin, the show where I make one cocktail I'd never made before with one of my friends. And today I'm here with the one, the only, Courtney Pal. We are making a drink called the White Lady, because Courtney is a white lady.
That's the damn truth.
Allegedly, this drink was invented at the Savoy Hotel in London by a bartender named Harry Craddock. There's a lot of controversy around the actual history, but that's the one we're going with.
I like it, I like it.
And it's called the White Lady, not just because Courtney is white, but because of the secret ingredient.
Which is?
It's over here. There's a tarantula.
Knew it!
Ready? Freaking eggs!
Oh shoot, do I have to crack an egg?
Cracking some eggs.
Oh no. I'm not very good at cracking eggs.
I assumed you would be, that's why I picked this drink.
Okay.
Literally, the only reason.
I thought so.
It'll be great.
Shoot. Okay.
Along with those eggs, all you need to make the White Lady is gin, Cointreau, lemons, and for your tools, you need a cocktail shaker, a jigger, and a bar spoon. All right, to start, we're gonna grab our cocktail shaker.
Okay.
We're gonna fill it with ice.
You just go for it. You
just stick your hand in
Okay,
there.
right in.
Right in.
Maybe one more.
Feeling good about that?
Yeah, I feel all right about it. Maybe one more.
Yeah, put some more in there.
Yeah.
Probably just use all of it.
Okay, it's stuck to the bowl. I got it. All right, I'm ready. We're getting there.
We're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of gin.
That's not this.
That's not this.
Okay.
We'll get to
Do you fill all the way to the top?
Yeah, surface tension. I like to see surface
Do I
tension.
use your jigger?
No, don't use my jigger. I don't know why I tried to hand it
Oh,
to you.
goodness gracious. Okay. All right.
Look at that.
Easy.
Easy. Boom.
Oh, shoot, I
A little
splashed
splashy.
already. I'll be the bartender. What do you want me to do?
all that she can make so far is gin and ice.
It's a strong start.
Everyone loves a good gin on the rocks. 3/4 ounces of Cointreau. It is an orange liqueur made from distilled oranges.
Will you say that just one more time?
Cointreau. I've never used this before, so I have no idea what it tastes like.
Now, is this considered like a difficult drink to make? Is it a pretty common drink? Like, can I go to any bar and order it?
It's definitely a classic drink.
Is that too much?
No, that's good. That's fine. You can definitely order it. I would say any drink that has an egg white in it is probably an advanced drink.
Oh,
just because
shoot.
you would be like,
I had forgotten that we were gonna use the eggs, and I was feeling really
Girl
confident.
is scared of the eggs.
Oh gosh, I am.
We're gonna squeeze just 1/2 of a lemon.
Ooh, it smells good so far. Oh, you fancy.
Ooh, Target,
Right.
what's up? Just put it in there and then hope for the best.
Okay.
Usually back up. Back up, people. Oh god.
Okay.
Oh, there's some seeds in there. It's okay.
It's ideally seedless.
Ideally. Did anything come out? Is that bad lemon? You got a bad lemon?
You know, there's a song about lemons that I really enjoy.
Courtney learned the song. Oh. We're gonna do 2 lemons, aka 1 lemon.
Man, anything's possible in Drinking with Kevin.
If you're doing math, this equates to 1 lemon. If you're not doing
For
math.
everyone following along at home.
2 halves is a whole.
Oh, there we go.
There you go. That one's.
Oh. Yep, we got some good stuff that time.
Should I do my other half just so that we're equal?
I guess so. We're really making the drink our own.
Yeah. A lot of improvisation on this show.
Nailed it.
And you're gonna add 1 egg white. So this is kind of scary because we're probably gonna get salmonella.
Perhaps.
The disease of salmon. So we'll give it a whirl.
Okay, that's kind of messy.
To separate your egg white, take the 2 halves and just go like this. There's a little bit of shallow.
Oh gosh.
Whose idea was this?
Okay.
You got this, man.
All right.
Bum, bum. Whoa. That was aggressive.
Oh, I got some yolk.
Oh no.
Is that,
I don't know.
did I ruin the integrity of the drink?
I don't think you could put yolk in it.
Should I start over?
Let's not get any yolk in this time.
No promises. Okay.
That's good.
Yeah, that was really good.
Good job.
I wish that was my first take.
All right.
Okay.
Now that we finally got our egg white,
Ooh.
just add that to the top.
You just pour it right in?
Pour it in.
No whisking, no stirring,
yeah.
no beating.
We are supposed to emulsify it. I
What is emulsify?
Just be right back.
Welcome to Drinking with Courtney, the show where I make one cocktail I've never made before.
Son of a bitch.
Am I doing it?
Yeah. Interesting.
All right, I'm definitely skeptical of this drink.
Wildly skeptical of this drink. I think it's gonna be good though. So hold the top when you shake it, and we're just gonna give it a good.
Am I doing it?
With fervor!
All right.
All right, so grab a martini glass, or a similar glass. 3, 2, 1, hold.
All the way to the top?
Yeah, just let it all ride. Unless it seems like it's gonna overflow, but it shouldn't. Yeah.
Oh yeah, all right, all right.
Looks legit to me.
Yours looks a little bit more emulsified, I think.
We're gonna garnish these just with a lemon twist, if you're using the peeler.
Oh man,
I don't do
that sounds advanced.
I don't do this a lot either, so. It seems good, right?
Seems pretty good.
Seems pretty good. I don't think this lemon twist is big enough.
Great, you didn't leave me a lot of room. Okay.
Let me try with a knife. Maybe I was just going too thin. I think I'm more of a knife guy.
I mean, I don't want to brag about this, but...
This is fine. We'll just throw it in there.
Like sticking out of the drink?
Yeah.
But not on the rim?
No. Follow your heart.
Oh, damn. It'll lead me right to the bottom of the
well.
well.
All right, let's do a taste test.
Woo! Okay, I'm excited. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that tastes really good.
Tastes like lemons.
Yeah, this is good. It tastes like straight lemons.
Tastes like salmonella.
Mmm, yum.
All right.
Yum.
This brings us to the questionnaire portion of Drinking with Kevin. The part where I ask them a handful of questions about their lives, and if they answer wrong, they never come back.
Oh, shoot.
Would you rather go to the bar, club, or stay in?
I think you already know the answer to this question. Definitely stay in from those 3 options.
What are you doing when you stay in?
When I stay in, I'm probably reading or maybe drawing or painting or...
Very fancy.
With my pinky
like
up.
Drinking egg white drinks.
Drinking egg white drinks.
Egg white drinks, hanging out.
Or watching Netflix with Joe and our pups.
Shout out to Joe.
Shout out to Joe.
No shout out to the dogs.
Kevin doesn't like my dogs.
I like Huck. Shout out to Huck.
Huck is afraid of you.
That's why I like him. Because I'm the alpha.
And he knows it.
All right, if you could only listen to one song for the next 6 months, what would it be?
Oh, shoot. Maybe it would be Lemon.
Just to clarify, this is 4 to 6 months after Lemon was hot, and Courtney has recently discovered that
I only just discovered it.
It's hot.
What a song though, am I
it's a
right?
good song for this drink.
Gosh, it's so good.
You want to sing it for them a little bit?
A couple more of these and I definitely will.
3 more egg whites and I'll sing you whatever you want.
Ooh.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how weird are you?
Shoot. Oh, this is tough. Like an 8?
Okay.
What would you say?
I might say 9.
Nice.
Oh, went for days.
Yeah.
2020 election, The Rock, Kanye West, Oprah, or Raiden?
Oh, The Rock, for sure.
Yeah, agreed. Cheers to The Rock.
Hell yeah.
Dwayne,
God, the coolest cat out there.
protect us from everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
No one would.
Who's gonna
mess
fuck with The
us.
Rock?
Exactly.
No one. Would you rather have fame or fortune? Or neither.
I would,
You can only have one.
I'll take fame.
Okay.
What would you take?
Fame.
Of course you would.
I don't have any money.
Money's for the
I
birds.
spent it all on this set. Do you have a spirit animal? And if you don't, what kind of animal would you want to be?
Okay, I feel like the owl is my spirit animal. I would say an owl would be my spirit animal though.
Nice.
But the wolf would be a runner-up.
It's a good runner-up.
Really good.
Wolf owl. What TV show are you currently into? Hashtag binge life.
Oh man, that's a great question. I am forever into John Oliver, and he just came back like this weekend, so I'm super stoked on that. But then also I just started watching that, it's a Netflix documentary series on the cult in Oregon.
Wild County or whatever.
Wild Country. Wild Country, something
Wild
like
block.
that. It's wild.
It's crazy over there on 9th Street. All right.
All right.
Do you have any hidden talents? So not something people know you for. Is there something you kind of keep secret?
That's a great question.
Can
I don't keep a lot of secrets.
It can be as simple as rolling your tongue.
I can make
clover.
I can make a shamrock with my tongue.
Don't use my example.
But I can do that.
Okay, let's see it. Show the camera.
Okay. I haven't done it in a while.
Live.
Okay.
Whoa.
Did I do it?
Put that away. Lastly, what was the best purchase of your adult life?
My camera, I would say.
What model? What camera are we rocking?
Canon 5D Mark III right now for just over 2 years now. But I got the camera at a time where I was getting ready to leave a normal job at a company that we worked at together. But I got it when I was getting ready to leave my normal job and get ready to kind of do my own thing and open my shop. And it was just, it really helped kind of get me to that next phase in my life. So that was a big one.
All right, before we wrap it up today, Courtney, is there anything you want to tell the people about what you're working on? Anything you want to plug?
Yeah, always a couple things. So
you can have one.
Shoot. I run a men's shop called Kinsman on Instagram. We're at Kinsman Shop. Take a look. If you're in Pittsburgh, stop by. It's a super awesome shop and a lot of fun. And also doing a ton of work with a denim brand out of Pittsburgh called Revtown, just launched in January. So take a look. We're at Revtown on the social medias.
Tight.
So.
All that stuff will be in the link below. That's all we have for you today. Thanks, Courtney, for joining me.
You're so welcome.
Tune in next time for Drinking with Kevin. Cheers.